Peace, peace, peace. You see dead people, I see divergences. We are not the same. Confluence is king. Let's see if we can find it. March 17th, 2026. If you find value in my analysis, I really appreciate you tuning in. Let's get into it. Today in Bitcoin, we're watching for a retest. Now, if the daily candle closes where it is, that'd be lovely, because it would be a great retest of 73,712. If you look left, it's this top over here from March of 24. That'd be great. And if we lose it, that's fine. It's okay. We just need to retest 72K, the 50. By the way, we have special guests in our stream or a video, whatever you want to call it. We have the 50 moving average, simple moving average in red, and the blue is the 100. Obviously, the yellow is always the 200. Simple moving average. And that's really their first appearance. So say what up or don't. Ideally, we want to stay above 70K. All of these here. 69K would be worst case scenario. We've already retested it, and you know, it's a waiting game. A lot of Ethereum news coming out. Start losing 70K, okay, maybe you'll get a deeper retrace. Let's just do a quick fib. I mean, obviously you start losing 65K, you got a problem, but we're gonna take it one step at a time. Man, it's busy around here. We keep going though, that's all we can do. Start to break 76, I mean, we have to remember there is a gap on the Bitcoin futures at 84.5. I've been speaking about it every day for a week, maybe longer. I mean, could come up to the 50 and get rejected. There's a lot that could happen right now. Oh my god, best analysis ever. Let's go to Ether, bro. I mean, Ethereum broke the 50. It broke 22, 21, 2200 with some decent volume. You know, I'd love to see volume come in like this. That'd be incredible. But, you know, one day at a time. One piece of data at a time, if you will. Now we're looking for 2400 to break. I don't see why we wouldn't go to 27 because of the Ethereum futures has a gap at 27. It just adds to that argument. Looks like we have a gap down here now, which is cool. It's cool. Ethereum, you don't want to start losing that gap. If you start to lose the gap, you're going to have to look for 1750, 1800 or so. I mean, this is an Adam and Eve bottom. Measured move from the top to the bottom to the breakout. You know, the neckline's not perfect, but, you know, takes us up into the 25, 26 area. I don't know what's going to happen, and neither do you. It's just analysis, bro. Don't get mad. But it was beautiful the other day. An Adam and Eve double bottom. Adam, Eve. It looks like a half a fish. Shout out to the Pisces out there. There's your Ethereum. I mean, we're just waiting. Could get a pullback and a retest of 2200, which isn't out of the cards. You know, you got a retest is great. I mean, if we came down We'd be retesting the 50, we'd be retesting 2100 as a possible support. You know, you get a confirmation or something like that with some divergence on the indicators. I mean, it'd be a dream come true. Remember, I'm going to start putting in white circles for bullish price action where I think bullish price action could come into play, and orange circles for where I think bearish price action can come into play. And you know, these were spot on. I'm not tooting my own horn. It's just easy to read once you get some time in the markets. But you know, Ethereum made an 886 and 88.6% retrace on the fib from this swing low to the swing high, and it got a reaction, and then it broke a major level. I mean, what else do you want? I mean, it is what it is, you know. Time in the market is better than trying to time the market, and I've been doing this for a long time, and it just seems to get easier. ETH.BTC stuck up against the 100. You see this thing start to break out. Could be party time. So we'll put an alert in, just so we know. But man, looks like there could be some more upside. It's on major breakout watch right now. Literally, bro. Trust me. I mean, you have a golden cross on Bitcoin dominance, but you know, these are like lagging, and Bitcoin dominance is just dropping, and it looks like money would be flowing into stable coins at the moment. If you look here to the right, you know, you got to expect anywhere from $58.82 to $58.50, and then reassess. But you know, you want an alt season, you need Bitcoin dominance to drop and trend downwards. Once you lose $58.50, we can talk. Till then, we just go one piece of data at a time. Stablecoin dominance. We got our breakdown yesterday. Now we're watching for a retest. So if you start to get back above 10.7%, I would be concerned of a false breakdown if you saw something like this, and then this gets regarded as resistance again, a supply line. You know, you come back into the pattern, this thing could start breaking to the upside, and that would be bad, okay? But for now, we got our breakdown, and we're just watching for a retest. So we could come up, get rejected. It's all about this level right here. That's your telltale sign. Look left. What is it? It's just major. It's major, it's major, it's major. So we watch. I took the 50 off on Bitcoin dominance because it was just getting in the way. I mean, look where it is on stablecoin dominance. We're below it. Ethereum is above it. Stablecoin dominance is below it. The retest is happening right now. As I speak, it's retesting. Bitcoin is retesting a major inflection point. Ethereum, I mean, there's so much demand on Ethereum right now. It hasn't even retested. I mean, we need it to come down. It might not. Don't know what's going to happen. Monero, bro, major breakout watch. The daily candle close did not happen above the 200, so that's a piece of data. You got to wait for that. Then you can be confident in upside. What else? Ethereum dominance, bullish engulfing candle yesterday, and it's getting more follow through at the moment. I mean, that's literally my homeboy right here. Damn, son. Ethereum getting that love. Say hello to Damn Son, my man. Shout out to Damn Son. Total. We are getting a retest as we speak. We're trying to regard all of these as support. And if it gets lost, it gets lost. And we'll, man, it's busy around here. Total 2 got our breakout above the 50, above major resistance. I mean, look at the inflection point. It's massive, and it was an ascending triangle. It's broken out, and now we are trying to retest, and the measured move is up here at 1.15T. I'll let you know if and when we get there. If we start to lose this level, you'd want to watch for that bearish retest because it's gonna go lower, just like Bitcoin the other month, whenever the hell that was. January. Damn, son, that's another one. Bang. False breakout, serious consequences. One piece of data at a time. See that? As soon as that candle closed inside a pattern that was clear, we got some serious follow through, and that's it. That's all we get. Where was I? Total 2. So we're gonna watch this. Do not want to come below and retest and get back into the pattern. It is what it is till it ain't. For now, it's a breakout of an ascending triangle, and it's retesting as I speak to you now. Let's go to the DXY. It is at a major inflection point, and it hit the measured move of an ascending triangle breakout. So a pullback is expected. It's retesting a major level, and it's just about watching levels at this point. I don't see any divergence. It's all convergence, and we could see a breakout eventually. So, you know, keep your eyes open if you watch it. The Dow itself came up, filled the gap. Okay, that's cool. We'll get rid of that. You are the weakest link. Goodbye. We are watching this level here. It's not major or anything, but it has reacted there in the past, and we're above it. That's a good thing. And the 200 was support, so we are going to watch that 200. Let's keep, like I said, it's very busy around here, and let's keep going. We're gonna be watching this level here. If we start to lose it, I want to know. If we start to go up, I want to know. So we're gonna put alerts above it and below it. Let's move on to the SPY. Actually, let me show you why I had the 50 up and the 100 up. Why we have a special guest today. We have a possible death cross on the Spider S&P 500. When the 50 crosses the 100, the 200, it's a death cross. I mean, I used to be in a leveraged trading group, and somebody's favorite trade was called the golden slap. When you see a death cross, you would long it up to the 200 and take profit. If it was the other way around, you would short it on a golden cross, and he called it the golden slap, and it seems to work every time. So I'm going to put an alert up here, and we'll see if that golden slap would have worked out. But the last time we had a death cross over the 200, I mean, was way down here. So let's do that math, right? I mean, it crossed here, you're way down here, and the golden slap, bam. I mean, there's so many ways to trade markets, it's crazy. You just find a way that works for you and just do it. S&P major level to watch is this here, the ES1 mini futures. We will be watching that for now. It's right there. Just kidding. Cut it out, dog. IXIC. Gap above, gap below. I don't know what's going to happen, and I can't act like I know what's going to happen. One day at a time. Russell, hopefully it gets back into this pattern. It's starting to. And we're just gonna see where today's candle closes. It's all we can do. I had a bearish circle here and it got a drop, so if a false breakout occurs, which apparently they're printing a shit ton of money or something, I seen it on Twitter, guy, trust me, it could bring us up. You know, it's just a news-driven catalyst that could bring more money into the market, so we're gonna have to be careful of shorting. What else? What else? What else? I don't know. Metals. We're at the 50. Gotta watch that heart line for now. Gotta watch the heart line. If we get above the heart line, okay, cool. You know, it's got plenty of respect, so it's valid for sure until it ain't, and for now it's valid. That's it. I mean, nothing's really changed since yesterday's video. Silver still in a downtrend. Got to break the supply line. If you see something like this, okay, great, awesome, but you know, we're here. We're at a supply line. You gotta make sure, you gotta expect it to get respected. Until it doesn't, sir, I drew a line. The price didn't react to it. What's going on? I thought this was how you trade. Gold to Bitcoin is retesting. Bounced off the 50. See, doesn't matter what you're charting, this stuff works for any asset paired against any asset. TA gets respected every which way, up, down, left, right, black, white, whatever. Move on, bro. Okay, we'll move on. But this is a major spot right now. If we retest and get some follow through to the downside, you can expect some serious downside in gold versus Bitcoin. If it gets back above the neckline and retests, could be a false breakout. You could see an explosion. I don't know what's going to happen. There's an unfilled gap down here, and that's the measured move. It's confluent with the measured move. So for now, I expect it to get there until data changes and we get back above that neckline. That's it. Silver to Bitcoin below the 50. Ugh. Looks like it's getting some action as we speak. I mean, I don't know what else to talk about right now. I just don't. Let's go to some stocks, I guess. ETHU put this out the other day. If Ethereum goes, it's gonna go with it. It's a 2x ETF, which means it moves twice as hard as a regular stock, so you gotta know what you're getting yourself into. And when it was reclaiming support, you know, it lost it, but it got above it, and once it got above it, and Ethereum was showing an Adam and Eve double bottom, I mean, this thing just made some sense. Gotta strike while the iron's hot. Don't chase pumps. Do not chase pumps. The second you buy, it'll come back down. Watch, bro. Trust me. I know what I'm talking about. ETHB is the Ethereum staking ETF by BlackRock. Brought to you in part by BlackRock. It is supposed to collect staking rewards. I bought some, and I bought some again, and I'm gonna hold it long term. That's it. I don't plan on selling it unless it puts me in a condo on the beach. BMNR, BitMine, owns a shit ton of Ethereum. The narrative behind Ethereum is great. The RSI was diverging up into the price action at a support at an 886. I mean, falling wedge is being broken yesterday to the upside. I mean, it just looks so beautiful. I am in it, and I'm gonna have to move my stop loss up soon. I just need one good move. Just one. My stop loss is just under 19, just under 20 in like the 19 area, because if it starts to get back down here, could be a little sketchy. That's okay. If I get stopped out, I lose a little bit. If I win bigly. BMNU is the 2x levered ETF. If you want to outpace inflation, you want to start using these 2x longs. They move fast though. Be careful, bro. What else? Let's go to crude oil, see what's doing. I mean, major retest. It's retesting now, that orange zone. Start to lose it, we're going to 87, and one level at a time. There is an unfilled gap way down here at 67. Don't know what's going to happen, can't act like I know. So we press on. Natural gas held that orange line. I don't know why I drew it right there. Seriously, I drew a line, sir. Why didn't the price react to it? That looks a little better. It's not perfect, bro. Don't get mad. Learn to do it yourself. And we can talk and compare ideas. It's a zone. It's fine. But, that's a nice little spring back test. Let's go to the 8 hour, maybe like a 3 rising valleys or something with hidden bullish divergence. Major level is $3. If it doesn't hold $3, we're going way lower. For now, it's holding $3. All right, I'm going to get this video out to you guys. Thank you for tuning in. If you find value in my analysis, I really appreciate you dealing with my dry humor and my sarcasm, which was kind of missing today, but that's okay. The sun is up, the sky is blue, it's beautiful, so are you. Peace, love, llama. Let's get it. It's a computer keyboard. What do you want from me? Peace, love, llama.